Hey guys, today let's learn how to allow apps to access photos on iPhone. So in the case that you want to go ahead and allow the access of the specific applications to access the photos on your iPhone device, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so depending on the specific application, it doesn't really matter since you're gonna see the settings of this under the settings application right here. So go ahead and launch the settings application. I want you to scroll down to the application that you want to go ahead and allow to access your photos. So basically all of your applications is going to be located on the last part of your settings application. And all we need to do from here is to locate that specific application that we want to go ahead and allow access to photos to. So in this case, let's just assume or let's use for an example this application called CapCut. Once we're here, let's tap on the Photos option. This option will be available on all applications that need access to your photos. So just tap on that and all we need to do is tap on Full Access to allow apps to access the photos. Now, you can do the same with any other application that you have downloaded on your device. So let's actually use another one for an example. So let's use Airbnb. Basically, Airbnb doesn't really use the Photos app, so it doesn't really allow to edit that option. But you could also do the same with other applications that utilizes the Photos app like Facebook. As you see, we have this option called Photos, and you can also set it to full access or limited access or none depending on what you like. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And take care.